继续咱来看，前总统蔡英文伫咧卸任了后，头一届去拜访欧洲，头一站去到捷克，嘛有去参加第28届公元2000的论坛。伫开幕的晚会，蔡英文甲捷克的参议院议长维特奇互动是真密切。也那捷克的总统帕维尔甲美国众议院议长佩洛西嘛拢会去参加。蔡英文会伫咧台湾的时间，也就是今仔日下晡的时阵来发表演说。
伫开幕晚会，蔡英文甲捷克参议长维特奇坐伫台骹，互动真密切。维特奇捌伫2020年访问台湾，迄当阵伫国内大家真注意。蔡英文总统摕来了，第一遍出访经捷克，表示双方关系真好。
It's reassuring again this special relations, which I would say between very friendly relations between Taiwan and Czech Republic. And you know, as a small country, we also experienced a lot of bullying from big entities. Czech Republic supports our democratic partners, and Taiwan clearly is such a partner.
另外，捷克总统帕维尔、众议院议长艾达莫娃，一个捌来台湾访问的前美国众议院议长佩洛西，拢会参加公元2000论坛，并且发表演讲。
Petro Pavel 获选为下任总统后，曾经与蔡英文总统通个电话，显现捷克的外交政策逐步回归正常。 这种来访应该被视为很正常的事情，就是台湾是个自由、民主、繁荣的社会，所以台湾在国际场域应该有代表自己的机会。
这边蔡英文访问捷克，捷克也受到中国的压力。路透社讲，这触动北京的敏感神经。
Yeah, I think the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of People's Republic of China. Condemned the visit and warned Czechia basically of supporting Taiwanese independence. And this is not going to happen. I mean, Czech Republic did not and have not recognized Taiwan as a country, as we know. But Czech Republic continues to have its own one China policy, which means that we actually do engage and we do have exchanges, economical culture with Taiwan.
蔡英文这边访问捷克，显示台湾甲捷克之间的关系真好。接落来几天，伊会去访问法国甲比利时，替台湾伫欧洲建立更加紧密的伙伴关系。公司国际记者刘玉婷、捷克布拉格采访报道。